Nobody wants dry, crusty lips. It's not a good look, and it's definitely not a good feeling. When you think of attraction, the first thing that comes to mind is face card. But still, somehow, something that's commonly overlooked on your face is your lips. Lips play a huge part in your overall attractiveness. And by having more attractive, kissable lips, you'll level up your looks significantly. So in this video, I'll show you how to make your lips go from this to this. So hit the like button, subscribe with the bell, and pay very close attention. You won't want to miss anything. Why lip care is essential for black men. Most people don't realize just how important lip care actually is until they look in a mirror and see themselves with cracked, peeling lips. Or worse, someone points it out.
No one wants to kiss this guy. Look at him.
For black men, it's even more crucial because our lips tend to show dryness even more visibly. When your lips are chapped, they don't just feel uncomfortable, they can look dull, ashy, or even darker in certain areas. A big reason for this is that lips don't have oil glands like the rest of our skin, so they don't produce their own moisture. Add in harsh weather, too much sun, or not drinking enough water, and suddenly you're walking around with lips that feel like sandpaper. Yeah, we're not doing that anymore. The good news is that keeping your lips soft and smooth is simple. Just follow this routine. Step 1. Exfoliate to remove dead skin. If your lips are consistently dry and rough, it's a good chance that dead skin is the culprit. No matter how much lip balm you apply, it won't work if there's a layer of dry, flaky skin sitting on top. Think of it like trying to moisturize concrete pavement. The hydration just won't sink in properly. That's why you need to exfoliate. Gently buffing away dead skin reveals a fresh, healthy layer underneath, allowing moisture to actually penetrate. Exfoliating also boosts blood circulation, which can naturally enhance the color of your lips, making them look more vibrant and appealing. But here's the thing, you can't just use any scrub. Your lips are much thinner and more delicate than the rest of your skin, so you need something gentle but effective. That's why I recommend Dr. Pawpaw's Scrub and Nourish Duo Pot. This 2-in-1 product makes lip care simple. The top layer is a gentle sugar scrub that buffs away dead skin without being too harsh, while the bottom half is a deeply hydrating balm that instantly restores moisture. It's vegan, chemical-free, and great for sensitive skin, so you don't have to worry about irritation or harsh ingredients that make things worse. To use it, take a small amount of the scrub and gently rub it on your lips in circular motions for around 30 seconds. Apply light pressure, you're exfoliating, not sanding down a piece of wood. After that, rinse it off with warm water and pat your lips dry. Right away, your lips will feel smoother, softer, and more refreshed. I've left a link to where you can grab this product down in my description below. Step 2. Hydrate and moisturize. Now that your lips are freshly exfoliated, they're ready to soak up some moisture. And this is where most people go wrong. Not all lip balms are created equal, and some can actually make your lips drier over time. If you've ever used a lip balm that made your lips feel drier the more you applied it, it's probably because it contains beeswax, menthol, or eucalyptus. While these ingredients might feel soothing at first, they can trap in dryness rather than actually hydrating your lips. Over time, this leads to a constant cycle of reapplying lip balm without any relief. What you really need is a product that nourishes and hydrates your lips, not just sits on the top of them. That's where the second half of Dr. Pawpaw's lip balm comes into play. After exfoliating, apply a generous layer of the balm to your lips to deeply hydrate and restore softness. You get both the scrub and the balm in one easy, simple $10 product. I'll leave a link to where you can grab this high-quality, nourishing duo pot in my description below. So do your lips and yourself a favor, scroll down and check it out. Step 3. Double moisturize. We're not done yet. If you want long-lasting hydration that actually repairs dry or cracked lips, you need to lock in the moisture. And that's where double moisturizing comes in. To seal in all that hydration from Dr. Pawpaw's lip balm, follow up with a very light coat of Aquaphor lip repair. By double moisturizing, you'll be putting your lips in the ideal environment to thrive. Dr. Pawpaw's lip balm deeply hydrates and nourishes your lips, while Aquaphor creates a protective barrier, preventing moisture loss because the glycerin and panthenol in it works to repair and heal damaged lips over time. By exfoliating regularly, hydrating with the right products, and locking in moisture, you're setting yourself up for soft, smooth, and kissable lips all day long. No more cracked, dry, or peeling lips. Just healthy, well-nourished lips that look and feel amazing. I've left a direct link to Pawpaw's lip balm and Aquaphor lip repair down in my description below. Step 4. Staying hydrated. One of the biggest reasons people deal with dry lips in the first place isn't just because of weather. It's actually dehydration. Your body is made up with about 55 to 60% water. And when you're not drinking enough, your skin, including your lips, is one of the first places to suffer. Unlike the rest of your skin, your lips don't have oil glands to produce moisture, which means they rely entirely on hydration from within and external moisture from products like lip balms and oils. If you're consistently dealing with dry, cracked lips despite applying loads of lip balm regularly, chances are your body's trying to tell you it needs more water. Think about it, when you're dehydrated, your lips become dull, flaky, and prone to peeling. They might even start feeling tight and uncomfortable. No amount of lip balm is gonna fix that if you're walking around dehydrated. Lip balm helps to trap in existing moisture, but if your body isn't hydrated in the first place, there's nothing for it to lock in. The fix is simple. Drink more water. But let's be real, most people don't drink enough water because they either forget or just don't feel like tracking it. That's why you need a water bottle. The right water bottle can make a huge difference. But I don't just mean any old water bottle. I recommend Innerbones water bottle. This is a motivational water bottle. This is a great option because it has time markers that remind you to take sips throughout the day. It's leak-proof, PBA free, and even comes with a strap for easy carrying, so you can take it everywhere. Whether you're at the gym, at work, or just chilling at home, having a bottle like this makes staying hydrated effortless. And when you're drinking enough water, your lips will naturally feel softer and healthier. I've left a link to where you can grab this motivational water bottle down below. Your diet also plays a huge role in hydration. Instead of only relying on water, try incorporating water-rich foods into your meals. Fruits and vegetables like cucumbers, watermelons, oranges, strawberries, and lettuce have high water concentration and help keep your body and your lips hydrated from the inside out. Plus, they contain vitamins and antioxidants that support overall skin health, including your lips. But hydration isn't just about what you put in your body. It's also about the environment around it. If you're constantly waking up with dry lips, the problem might not be dehydration. It could be dry air sucking the moisture out of your lips while you sleep. This is where a good humidifier comes into play. The Levoit Top Fill humidifier is perfect for keeping the air in your room moist and comfortable, preventing your lips from drying out overnight. It's super quiet, easy to clean, and has an auto shut-off safety feature, making it ideal for bedrooms and guys who just want to keep things simple. Using a humidifier while you sleep keeps your skin, lips, and even your sinuses from drying out, so you'll wake up feeling refreshed instead of parched and in a panic to find water. Yeah, that's not a good look. So go grab that water bottle, set up that humidifier, and make hydration a priority. Trust me, your lips will thank you. You can find a link to this motivational water bottle and this humidifier in my description below. Step 5. Avoid bad habits. A lot of people don't realize that some everyday habits can make their lips drier and more damaged without even thinking about it. If you've been struggling with dry, chapped lips no matter what you do, one of these bad habits might just be the reason. Habit 1. Licking your lips. It might seem like it helps in the moment, but it actually makes things significantly worse. Your saliva evaporates quickly, and when it does, it takes even more moisture from your lips, leaving them drier than ever before. Plus, saliva contains enzymes that are meant to break down food, not hydrate your skin. So constantly licking your lips can actually cause irritation and even make them peel. If you catch yourself doing this throughout the day, try to break the habit by immediately applying a hydrating lip balm instead. Habit 2. Breathing through your mouth. If you tend to breathe through your mouth a lot, especially while you sleep, you're consistently exposing your lips to dry air, which can strip away moisture. This is especially common if you snore or have allergies that cause nasal congestion. If If you wake up every morning with dry, cracked lips, mouth breathing could be the reason. To help with this, try sleeping with that humidifier in your room to add moisture to the air and keep your lips from drying out overnight. Habit 3. Using the wrong lip balm. A lot of lip balms on the market actually make your lips worse, especially the ones that are packed with artificial fragrances, flavors, alcohol, and other irritating ingredients like menthol and camphor. These give your lips a temporary cooling sensation, but can strip away natural moisture, causing you to reapply over and over without actually fixing the problem. A smart way to get you to buy more, right? If you're constantly reapplying lip balm but your lips still feel dry, it's time to switch to something better. By staying hydrated, putting yourself in the right environment, double moisturizing, and using the right products, I can guarantee your lips will stay soft, smooth, and kissable, making you significantly more attractive. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you super enjoyed the video, leave a super thanks. It's like leaving a little tip and it directly helps out the channel. If you haven't already, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you can continue to see our videos and get your weekly dose of betterness. And remember, with every one of our videos you watch, you take one step closer to becoming an even better version of yourself. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay smooth like butter.